In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your Canon Imageclass MF654Cdw. Go to your printer and open the front door. Pull this button down. Automatically all the ink cartridges will slide out. You just have to take them out. Just lift it from here. Take the new ink toner. Make sure the chip is facing on the upside and you are just placing the roller on the down like this. So chip should be upside, the marking like yellow, magenta should be facing up, and the handle is always on the top. Place it on the correct color: yellow, magenta, cyan, and that's the black in the last. Slide it in, close this door, just wait for the ink toners to start and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.